what you can expect to experience personally. As with any change we make in our lives, there are ripples that can impact all areas of our lives, be it our family, our home, our friends, and even our workplace. By stepping into this training, you are taking a further and a new step into your spiritual power. You are empowering your true self to reflect more of your true spiritual nature into the world. As you run healings, not only on yourself and others, you initiate a clearing process inside you so that you can hold more light in your body. You will be triggered to clear that within you that no longer serves you and is no longer in alignment with your higher self. You may find that you start to experience symptoms in all planes of your being, the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual. This is a divinely guided and supported process. You will not be experiencing these things if you cannot cope with them. Spirit takes note when we step into our spiritual power, and they support us and set us up for spiritual initiations, which are for our greater good and are ultimately rewarded by a stronger connection to our spiritual gifts and talents. You will also be asked to take a leap of faith at many times, which is where we have to trust our intuition and follow what feels right, as opposed to what we think is right. When we follow our intuition, our heart is guiding us. When we go into doubt and fear, we are in our mental plane, and our ego has taken over our decision-making process. My advice would be to trust your intuition. It will never let you down. For example, how many of you have met someone who you took an instant dislike to without even knowing why, and then you found out why later? Your clients will be your biggest teachers. They will come to you with issues that you may need to resolve within yourself, or even to reflect back to you how far you have come in your journey. I reference a healer who kept having clients coming to her with domestic violence issues. She herself was a victim of domestic violence and had not resolved those issues within herself. She found herself giving guidance and advice to clients about how to deal with domestic violence, and realized it was actually herself she was advising. This is just one example of situations you may well find yourself facing. No one will be sent to you by chance. It will be part of a magical divine plan for you too. I am here to support you throughout your journey. Even when this course has finished, you can still connect with me when you need to. And as part of my soul contract, once someone connects with me energetically, I am here to support you wherever you are. Blessings on this journey. Let's meet the archangels.